Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 13 of this building. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're gonna continue working on level 3. And before we group all together level 3 and add on our levels, what we're gonna do is we're going to add partition first. So let's go to level 3, and as you see here, we haven't added the doors here on our curtain walls, and then we need to add partitions here so that of course they're not going to be able to cross over, so we need to have separation. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to extend this. The reason for that is I just want to have that a nicer view. So I'm gonna add this here. So I'm gonna edit the boundary just to edit the floors. And then we're going to extend this, extend this a bit. I want to see how much. Usually around 1500 is good enough. So here that's roughly 12, so something like that. Of course I'm gonna match it, but this is curved, so we need to just estimate it a bit. So something like that. And then we're going to extend this one condo rail right about here. So here I'm just going to actually pull this back a little bit because I want it to be curved, and then here as well, something like that. So depending on the building code, usually that's 1500 is the minimum, but you can always check your building code to see what's the minimum balcony. And then here I'm just going to pull it back a bit, and then here as well I'm going to extend this and then extend this one. I just like the idea for this one because it will look sticking out onto this this side. And then once we do that, we need to do this as well on this side. I would like to edit this balcony. So here, and then we have a floor right here as well. So the way that I want to do this is the same thing as right here, but I'm going to edit this first. I guess that's why I did this, so that I could curve this one out, and then I could just trim and extend. For some reason it's not letting me, so let me clean that up properly. So let me do this manually. Because for some reason it's not letting me. Maybe because it's curved, but you'll never know. Sometimes what's the issue between those. And then let's see if we could trim this now. Still not letting me trim it. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing that I did onto this side, which is add my own floor, balcony floor right here. So CS on that, and then I'm going to add it. I'm gonna make it easier for me. And then just grab it like that and curve it. And then trim this one. And then let's look at it. Of course, it's not visible here for now, but once we have it all added, it's going to be easier there. There we go. So it's still there. It's just not visible at the moment. So once we have it on top, it will be looking good. It's somewhere right here. There we go. That's because this one is a little bit lower. So we're going to deal with that later on. I'm going to edit this. And then do this one right here. Curve it a bit. There we go. So now it's looking good right there. And I'm actually going to add something here later on. So I'm probably going to make it thicker or extend it by having a model in place. So for now, just bear with me. We're going to add more of this. Yes, on that. We're going to do 1, 2, and 3 more. So we're going to add those. Pick line right there. Pick this one as well. And I know that it's going to work. There we go. Trim this one. And then finish. And then here, edit path. We could do this right here. And or we could just really edit this one and add our own. There we go. So now we have separation for that. You have another wall right there. CS again. Pick line. Let's do it fast enough so that you have time for everything. Trim and extend. Click finish. Edit pick path. and then just delete this so that we're good. And then lastly on this one. And obviously we're still going to change this one as well, so don't worry. I want it to be consistent with this part right now. Trim and extend right here. Click finish, edit path. And then delete this. So that's looking good, much better. I just need to change this part now. I want this part like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna maybe add one here, and then add this part, maybe one here, one here, one also here, here, and then here. Should we add here? Because this one is the living area. I should add one living area here, and then so on. So let's do that. I'm going to edit. First, what I'm gonna do is I want to extend this, extend the wall. Something like that. Extend this wall as well, so that we know where to extend it. I'm going to add the one in the, because I don't want this one, I want separation. So this one will be the change that I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put it in the bedroom instead, and then here living room again. So that's the only change that we have on that, and then we're gonna make everything consistent. And then this one is bedroom, living area, and then this one should be added as well, or this one should be, so skip, and then here as well. And then here. I think we're good after that. So I'm just going to add this first. This is the floor number 4 right here. Pick path. I need to choose maybe this. I'm just going to add this. And then add it here from the corner. I just want to know where the end here is. So I just need to discard this because I couldn't find. there. I'm just gonna make it big. And then just pick path here. Or pick line, actually. I think that's good. Click finish. And then obviously we're going to add the same one right here. Similar to what we've been doing on others. So we could just actually delete this for now and then just leave this floor so that we could still be using it. I just want to CS on this, and then once I'm good, there we go. That was easy. Trim and extend, and then click finish, and then obviously we're just gonna copy this and then just add it on there. And then we could just delete this now. We don't need it. And then we're going to fix some of this ones right here. That's this one is the roof of building for the second level. So we're definitely going to fix that. Of course, we're going to delete some of this, but that's something that we're gonna do later on. CS, we're gonna add it here. Skip that. There we go. Add there, and maybe I'm gonna extend it a little bit. There we go. And then pick and then trim and extend right here. Oops. Click finish. Extend this like I said. Just a little bit, so that's perfect. Then just add one right here. I'm gonna make it less curve. Just that one. This one is too curvy. There we go. I think that's perfect. And the way it looks is like this. So I'm happy with that. Obviously we need to pull it up, select similar, zero from lever, so don't worry about that. Needs to be in the proper height, so that's good. And then obviously we're going to fix all of this. And then here I will also edit this one. Of course it needs to be all the way, so edit, it needs to be from here, because I know that one is over there. This one should be right here. Needs to be over right here, and then just go all the way up and then curve it. There we go. Trim that, trim here, trim right there. It's already trimmed there, and then we're gonna clean this one. There we go. Trim right here, and then pull it a little bit from the glass. So now that looks good, much better. Something's going on here. There we go. That's the culprit. And then I'm just double checking, so that's good right there. That's second floor. That's for the office area. Everything looks good. And then let's just finish this up, and then we're gonna cover it later on once we finish grouping everything, so that we can see everything that was done to our project. Let's put right here. Put it there. Trim it. And then finish. And then here you just need to trim it, and then let's add this. Right there, and then right here. Quick finish. We could edit a little bit, just curve it a bit more. And that's good. Almost done. So floor, and then obviously right here, and then we're done with this. And then let's add right here, pick line, and then just trim. And then select this and just add something right here, and over there. Not the line, but the curved one. There we go. And then that looks clean. Edit the footprint right here. I want it to be all curved. If we can do it. This one, let's push this one right there. Delete it. Maybe we could just add pick. There we go. The only problem, we need to obviously put it all together. Need to trim all of those. That's the only hassle we have. Not this one, the outside part. Okay, we're good with that. And then maybe we could just extend this and then trim it. So that we could see the curve and then just finish that. Oh yeah, this part, trim it. And then just trim this one to the midpoint. Okay, finish, trim it. Let's see, there we go. I want to see how it looks. We could extend this a bit. We could hide this one individually, but we're gonna do that later on. It's not something that we should do right now because we're still working on our stuff. Then obviously we can extend this one so that we still have the same one, the same look. So we're gonna do that late on the next video. We're gonna group everything. We're gonna add curtain doors and everything like that. So So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.